Hello, we will be calculating the yield to maturity and bond price for a coupon bond using a financial calculator. I will be using the Texas Instruments BA2 Plus to calculate the same. The question reads, find the price of a 12% coupon bond with face value of $1,000, 11% yield to maturity, and 7 years to maturity. So when we're looking at calculating price, we're looking at the price today or the present value. We have a face value or the future value of $1,000, yield to maturity or I by Y equal to 11%, the number of years to maturity or N equal to 7, and a 12% coupon bond indicating a regular interest payment of 12% on the $1,000 or $120 every year, indicating the PMT equal to 120. So for calculations such as this, in the financial calculator, we would be using the white set of keys, which is the third key set of keys from the top. I'm going to turn on the calculator by pressing the on button, after which I'm going to delete any saved data by pressing the second FV second clear. Financial calculators have a tendency to save data. Therefore, we need to ensure that we remove any kind of saved data so our calculations won't get mixed up. I'm going to put in values from left to right. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, but it just makes it easy for me. So I start off with N equal to 7 because I have 7 years to maturity. So I put in my 7, then I hit N, setting the N equal to 7. After which I'm looking at the I by Y, which is essentially the yield to maturity, in this case 11%. So I have 11, and then I hit the I by Y button, setting the I by Y to 11, not 11% or 0.11, just 11. The PV is the present value, in this case the price of the bond, which I need to compute. So move to the next key, which is the PMT. This bond gives me a 12% coupon rate annually. So calculating the PMT essentially would be the 12% into $1,000 or $120. I'm going to put in the 120 and then hit the PMT to set my PMT equal to 120. I have the face value, the future value of the bond, which is the principal I'm going to receive when the bond matures. So essentially the face value of $1,000. So I put in 1,000 and then hit the FV to set the face value equal to 1,000. Then I need to compute my PV. So I say compute PV, giving me a PV of minus 1047.1219, or the present value, the price of the bond equal to 1047.122. Always remember that a financial calculator takes the PV and an FV as an investment outcome scenario. So once I put in my FV to be a positive 1,000, my PV is going to reflect to be a negative number, indicating an investment per se. So the price of the bond essentially is 147.122.